Welcome to the Flamingo FLP 1.0 installation video. Very soon, Flamingo will allow you to enjoy your shower while saving power. In this video we will cover the installation of the thermowell and sensors on the hot water tank for both solar thermal and electric hot water tanks, the connection and running of the data cable from the hot water tank to the home, affixing Flamingo in the home and powering on, how to use the flow rate bag to measure the flow rate of the shower, and setup of the Flamingo device via the menu function. The following items should be found in the Flamingo pack. The Flamingo FLP 1.0 device. The device can be powered by 4 AA batteries, or alternatively via USB-C input. There is a connector block on the back of the device for connecting the data cable. 2 eyelets allow for mounting the device onto the wall. 4 AA alkaline batteries, a power adapter with USB-C cable, a set of wall plugs and screws for mounting on the wall, an installation guide, thermal sensors with connector block, a 3/4 inch steel tee with 20 pegs compression fitting and 3/4 inch bushing. These plumbing fittings will need to be made up with flax fibers and Teflon tape in order to install on the hot water tank. A stainless steel thermowell. This standard 30 cm thermowell included in the pack is for solar thermal hot water tanks. For electric only tanks, a longer thermowell is used, as will be seen later in the video. When the thermowell is installed at the top of the hot water tank, this allows for a top thermal reading of the tank. 20 meters of data cable. This is to run from the hot water tank to the Flamingo device in the home. A connector box. This is installed by the boiler to protect the connection between the thermal sensors and the data cable from the outside elements. A flow rate bag. This will be used to determine the flow rate of your shower. We do so by spraying the shower head into the bag for 7 seconds and then reading the number off the bag.